Back down, we'll go like that. Bob Snyder, see what you do. 43-40. Make a decision from the track. I don't know if the clutch does that way or not. Bob Snyder. Find out what we're going to do. Nevertheless, Peter's one of my closest personal friends with multiple Coldwell heads.
Skeeter, your pressure can't squirted on me. Gee, Skeeter, thanks.
Skeeter, did you wash your hair in like 3 or 4 different kind of shampoos? John Martin, Brownsville, Indiana. Well, now comes decision time. What to do with the play? $270 feet and 3 inches for John. 270 feet and 3 inches. Our first official distance. I never understood that, but we'll find out in just a moment just how blue it is. I don't think it's really at all. You watch the film, but it's still blue, still turns white to black, and you'll let go of it. And there it goes. John Mack from Brandon, Indiana. Your new leader, Don Maxson. Let's let him hear it. Give him a big round of applause. He can hear you. I'd like to modify so they can hear it. He's knocking down the door. 281 feet and 1 inch. 281 and 1. You might notice the score.
Oh, I like that.
Mike Linder.
All I got to say is I don't know how far to be good. I'm sure I could, but she would have been with it.
No.
You want to feel like that?
Hell, I can't even hear you guys. I love
Are you drinking a Pepsi? Skeeter would climb. Well, the Pepsi is, huh?
You're breaking up. I can't hear you. I keep looking at the scoreboard for the distances.
Pepsi? Hey, you're right. You know, Skeeter, that Ford, Bauer Ford, Pepsi-Cola, and Golden Heart. Dad's door. Dad's distance was 281 and 1. We'll find out what Kevin's got in just a moment. The distance for Kevin Masterson is 277 and 8. 277 and 8 for Kevin Masterson. That's Mr. Tom Sherrill. He's my best friend in the track and program. Whether he's got it or not, we all love him and we're all going to applaud real loud because on August 21st he gets his check every year. And that's about state fair time. We all go to his house when he takes up. Tom Sherrill calls it as well. I hope it's running in. John Deere 60-30. That's what he hears. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Tom Sherrill calls it a spoiler. The bad part is he really can't afford to lose. Take it out the gate. Uh-oh. 299 feet even. Oh. Tom, buddy, didn't make it out the gate. You like the foot? Device, you might know to hook up a little cable up above the big chain that you swim with. In the event the chain would break or would have a problem on the track. John Elmont can pull a kill switch, thus stopping the tractor and all the danger. John Logan, 3688 International Power. Let's watch this post. Blacker gets the post, Captain Go. A little bit shy at the 300-foot mark. Call this Top Gun Red. Do it now, hurry, run. 291 feet, 2 inches for John Wilkins. 291 and 2. He's got the pro stock car. Dion Bomb blew the horn, so let's do it, boys. Russell Mountain gives the green flag to Larry Connor. 42. Well, that is not Larry Connor. That's Camera High. Down to 4320. Let's see what he can do on the post car. Get ready, good run for Larry. Let's see what this in just a moment. Call the green gate. Good look. Down here, 4320. I'll listen for you in just a moment. Remember that this is still, depending on how they drop and come back, should be is Jonathan from Killbuck, Ohio. They're looking for 4430. The position for you just a moment. Remember, Uncle Tom's still at 299 feet healing. And a good job putting the track together for us today. Worked real hard the last 2 weeks. Getting everything going with Thomas before we had a good event for this afternoon. Chris Cutler got the green flag. Let's see if he can build some food. Watch that smoke. Oh, I believe he's going to get it right today. I don't know. Julie, what do you think? You don't know? Well, we want to drug off the track. Tow tractor, gentlemen. Tow tractor. Whoever's the tractor for John Piper. We can do that. On the Many Rock side, as soon as we reach the decision. Have you reached the decision maybe he's going to Many Rock side? Yeah. Okay. John Piper driving the tractor. Danny Gettinger. See what he can do to call in the players. Long running tractor. Danny, gonna let him drive it again. He didn't win. I don't know. Okay. Don. Hopkinsville, Kentucky. 2094 pace. Pro stocker. He went to the other side of the track. Let's see what he can do. Problem. If it isn't for you in just a second. 2094 state. Got a Hopkinsville, Kentucky. Peter, 1910 inches. 295 and 10 for Richard Peter. Just a moment. Carl Hatley at 4250. Russell Mount. Russell Mount was the mini rod guy. Ed Chalfan, is that him? Sure, I went there. Hardly know. On the pro stock side, David Whelan, Tipton, Michigan, International 1066. Let's give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Jeff Rutherford's got some problems. Only V8 of the day. Come on. You can't. 278 and 4. 278 and 4. Mark Wall, Greensburg, Indiana. Still got some problems. I get 2 attempts to go 75 feet. Pace 1070. Let's see if we can get out of the hole. That's some open move ball, though. Wait a minute. Still got a problem. Not running right at all. The man with his arms crossed has got a bad look on his face is Dale Lowe, or his father. We'll get the distance to market. Wilmington, Ohio, down near 40 minutes. Watch that smoke because it's building the boost and power increases. The smoke turns black. And there we go. Down draw. Get this for you in just a moment. We're running down here 40-10. I'll put it for you in just a second. That should bring up 252 and 5. 252 and 5 on the finger rod side. 273 and 9. 273 and 9 for this down draw. Down here 40-10. I don't know. Wrong running international. Wrong running post on spot. Let's take a look at it. He's trying to beat 299 feet. Let's see what it is. Just a moment for a sticky thing. Call the Ramsey Wilkins going game. It's quite good.